मैं तस्वीर उतारता हूँ बिखरी हुई हसीनों की, जुल्फें संवारता हूँ, फिर जुल्फों के साए में मैं रातें गुजारता हूँ। मैं तस्वीर उतारता हूँ बिखरी हुई हसीनों की, जुल्फें संवारता हूँ, फिर जुल्फों के साए में मैं रातें गुजारता हूँ। कोई हसीना कितनी भी मगरूर हो, हुस्न की दुनिया में कितनी मशहूर हो। कोई हसीना कितनी भी मगरूर हो, हुस्न की दुनिया में कितनी मशहूर हो। मस्ती में चूर हो, पास हो के दूर हो।
जैकलीन फर्नांडिस ने बार्बी स्विमसूट में दिखाए जलवे। अभिनेत्री जैकलीन फर्नांडिस फिलहाल अपनी बहन के साथ छुट्टियां मना रही है। अभिनेत्री ने अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पर खुद की कई तस्वीरें साझा की, जिसमें वो छुट्टियों के दौरान बीच पर अपनी बहन के साथ मस्ती करती नजर आ रही है। एक तस्वीर में जैकलीन ने चमकीला गुलाबी स्विमसूट पहना हुआ है, जिस पर सफेद रंग से बारबी।
अरे यार, why are we even doing this?
You have to pay the bills, yeah.
But this is just a piece of clothing. Who even cares?
I mean, I don't know. Bollywood is making a business out of it, so everyone is going to make women's clothing their business.
What do you mean?
I mean, yeah, it's clear what they're trying to do.
कोई हसीना कितनी भी मगरूर हो, हुस्न की दुनिया में कितनी मशहूर हो। मैं तस्वीर उतारता हूँ फिर जुल्फों के साए में मैं रातें गुजारता हूँ।
If this is how women are shown in films, can we really blame the people?
See, no one is justifying Bollywood, but it doesn't just stop there. How people respond to these clothes says so much more about them than Bollywood or the actresses. Have you even seen the way they get trolled?
Taapsee is all set to sizzle on the silver screen with her upcoming film Judwaa 2. She posted a couple of pictures where she is donning a bikini and looked really sexy in the snap. However, the pictures did not go down well with the users on internet and they began trolling the actress.
सब ठर के अब इसको देख के मारने वाले हैं।
ये भी उतार दो।
When they don't get chances in movies ना, they start their side business of body showing.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
एक्साइट करके ही छोड़ दिया। फुल पोस्ट तो लिया करो।
आपकी
कोई नहीं, आपको ही देखकर मारूंगा। आपको मजा आए ना आए।
शर्म तो है नहीं तुम्हें?
गन दिख रही है भाई तेरी।
नौरा थोड़ा शर्म करो यार। ये फोटो तुम्हारा भाई भी देखता होगा। इस पोस्ट को देख के
अपना लिंग हिला रहा होगा।
feel like vomiting looking at you bikini. You don't have those looks. Shame on you. शर्म करो।
एक बार पूरे कपड़े उतार ही दो, शर्म तो है नहीं तुम्हें।
और घर की इज्जत बिकनी पहन के जो दिखाई जा रही है।
क्या हो गया इन देसी औरतों को?
आपका बेटा आपकी फोटो देख के क्या बोलता है?
Bollywood is dirty.
निकाल ही चुके हो तो इनको भी निकाल दो।
See, they have an issue with the swimsuit itself.
बेशरम रंग कहाँ देखा दुनिया वालों ने।
And it's not something that is so recent. It has been happening for ages.
When I saw the reaction, it was quite vitriolic, and there were lots of, I mean, those days we didn't have social media, but it was very critical. In fact, I was in London when this was published. So when I came back, Shakti ji called me and said, you know, this is like we have to do some damage control. So I was very upset. While people are attracted towards glamour, but they don't really have all that much respect for that. I wanted to be respected. I wanted to be liked. And so I slowly started changing my image. In fact, after Evening in Paris, Shakti ji was making 2 films. So he wanted to make a quick film and named it Aradhna. But they told me that, you know, would you like to do it? Because you have to play an old, you know, mother and all that. I said, of course, I would love to play it. Don't you dare give it to anybody else. So I accepted, and so that changed my image.
You see how one bikini changed the entire trajectory of her career.
But bro, even the feminists are against this whole bikini culture, especially in the pageants. It's not just about what they wear. It's also what the clothing brings to the table. If it's reducing the models and actresses to their bodies, invite leering eyes, and for what? Just to sell some brand? Then is it even worth it? And besides, I really am of the opinion that our culture is so much more respectful towards women than Western culture or even other cultures.
Harnaaz Sandhu's walk and her curves have brought home the Miss Universe crown after 20 years. Watch her own the ramp in this sexy pink swimsuit, which made everyone drool all over for her body. We sure could not take our eyes off from her juicy behind and luscious body as she walked down the ramp for the swimsuit round of the pageant. When she sashays her teeny petite waist, she proves to the world that Indian bodies are truly the most desirable. We congratulate Sandhu for her glorious world-class victory.
But respecting women has got nothing to do with clothing. You don't respect women by imposing certain dress codes on them. You respect them regardless of what they wear.
You know, they're just trying to create this pressure and the horror in the society about themselves, dragging women out of pubs, insulting women, protesting against women, you know, wearing short clothes. Why do we have a government if we have this self-acclaimed moral police?
बहुत खूबसूरत जवां एक लड़की सड़क पर अकेली चली जा रही थी.
I get your point, but I think these actresses are accountable. What they do affects women across country because what they wear becomes a trend and it also influences people.
फकत नाम को उसने पहने थे कपड़े अजंता की मूरत नजर आ रही थी नजर आ रही थी.
I don't understand how they're accountable because trolling and commenting extends beyond actresses into the lives of common women as well. And actresses are doing their part pushing back against this whole troll culture.
कोई मन चला उससे टकरा गया कोई दे हम सजा.
You should see the amount of trolling that happens. So yeah, these things keep going on. And actually, you know, honestly, when I posted that picture of Judwa's bikini picture, I was ready for trolling because I knew it will happen. I was ready because it's gonna happen, and I was like, bring it on.
I get what you're saying, but the realities of these actresses are very different from us common women, you know. They have the means and resources to take these bold steps. For us, it's different. We have to face the consequences.
A former teacher at St. Xavier's University in Kolkata was allegedly asked to quit after a parent of a student complained that he had noticed his son looking at photos of her in a bikini on Instagram. In the letter, the father alleged that he had caught his son looking at the objectionable and vulgar picture of the former professor. According to reports, the former assistant professor accused the university of forcing her to quit after receiving the written complaint last year. However, St. Xavier's University rejected the claims made by the professor and stated that she had quit the job voluntarily.
But that doesn't mean we stop wearing swimsuits or fighting for our rights, does it?
I think I get it. If this could happen to a teacher, it could happen to me, you, or anyone.
तस्वीर उतारता हूँ बिखरी हुई हसीनों की जुल्फें सवारता हूँ फिर जुल्फों के साए में मैं रातें गुजारता हूँ.
Bikinis are fun, yaar. I though would wear it to look more attractive. So what if it draws attention? मैं क्यों नहीं पहनूं?
They do kind of look cool, huh?